everyone, good day. I am your pre-service teacher. I am teacher Mildred Bilano, and for today, as the continuation of the previous discussion by teacher Mona Lee, I will give related lesson but different topics. Right, so before I am going to give the objective of the day, so I will implement two rules that you should follow. The first one is that you have to watch this video from the very start up to the very end. Don't skip, because if you'll do that, you will not be able to understand the lesson or the topic. So the second one is that you have to listen attentively. Is that clear? Very good. So the objectives of the day, everyone kindly read. Distinguish decimal number system and octal number system. Second, compute the conversion of decimal numbers to octal and vice versa. The last objective, infer the functions of decimal number system and octal number system in computer. Very good. So before anything else, let me give you an activity. So this activity will be...
Alright, so your activity will be, you have to arrange jumbled letters and form it into its accurate word or words. You have to arrange it in order to form the exact word or words. So are you now ready, class? Very good. So let's start guessing. Number one. So number one, what word or words it mean? Very good. Number system. How about number two? Alright, very good. Octal. The number three is... what word is that? Very good. Decimal. So that game is called Arrange Me, or that activity is called Arrange Me. So let's proceed to the next activity. I will give you another activity. So I will give you two letters, letter D as decimal and letter O as octal. Now I will give a series of flashcards consist of number systems. I know that you have an idea what number system means because teacher Mona Lee already discussed to you about it. And this activity, all you have to do is to answer it by guessing what corresponding letter it belongs. So D or O, or D as decimal and O as octal. So let's start guessing number one. So number one, so what kind of number system it belongs? Very good. This belongs to octal because it has a base of 8. How about number two? Very good. That number system belongs to decimal. Okay, how about that? Number three. Very good. That belong to octal. Number four. Very good. That belongs to decimal. How about number five? Octal. Very good. How about the last number? Very good. Decimal. Very good, class. Alright, class. So, to give you a hint from the activities that we have, what do you think is our lesson this morning or this day? Any idea? Alright, very good. Conversion of decimal numbers to octal and vice versa. Okay, so as we know, the number system is a form of expressing the numbers. In number system conversion, we will study to convert a number of one base to a number of another base. Very good. So there are a variety of number systems such as decimal numbers, binary numbers, octal numbers, and hexadecimal numbers, which can be exercised. Okay, so in the number system, each number is represented by its base. If the base is 2, it is a binary number. If the base is 8, it is an octal number. If the base is 10, then it is called decimal number system. And if the base is 16, it is part of the hexadecimal number system. The conversion of decimal numbers to any other number system is an easy method. But to convert another base number systems into decimal numbers requires practice. So in this lesson, you will learn the conversion of one base number to another base number, considering all the base numbers such as decimal, octal, hexadecimal, which with the help of examples. So this lesson, I will focus only to the octal numbers system and decimal. I will teach you how to convert decimal number system to octal and octal number system to decimal, or vice versa. Alright, so for you to know the function of a number system is defined as a system of writing to express numbers. It is a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. It provides a unique representation of every number and represents the arithmetic and algebraic structure of the figures. Okay, so we have functions of decimal numbers system in computer. We use decimals every day while dealing with money, weight, length, etc. Decimal numbers are used in situations where more precision is required than the whole numbers can provide. For example, when we calculate our weight on the weighing machine, we do not always find the weight equal to a whole number on the scale. A number system which uses digits from 0 to 9 to represent a number with base 10 is the decimal number system. The number is expressed in base 10, where each value is denoted by 0 or first 9 positive integers. So as you can see, I have here some examples of decimal number systems, or the decimal numbers. And as you notice, all the base of a number system is 10. So that is what we call decimal number system. So now I will give functions of octal number system in computer. So the octal number system is widely used in computer application sectors and digital numbering systems. The computing systems use 16-bit, 32-bit, or 64-bit word, which is further divided into 8-bit words. The octal number is also used in the aviation sector in the form of a code. Okay, so now I will teach you how to convert from decimal to octal numbers. So here are the conversion steps. First, divide the number by 8. So remember that first step, divide the number by 8. Next, get the integer quotient for the next iteration. Third, get the remainder for the octal digit. The fourth one, repeat the steps until the quotient is equal to 0. To convert decimal to octal number, we have to divide the given original number by 8 such that the base 10 changes to base 8. Let us understand with the help of an example. So example number 1, convert 128 to octal number. So from the given 128, we have to divide it by 8. So 128 divided by 8 equals 16 with a remainder of 0 MSB. MSB means most significant bit. So from the quotient 16, we divide it again by 8. So we have 2 with the remainder 0. 2 divided by 8 is equal to 0 with the remainder of 2 LSB. LSB means least significant bit. Alright, so the octal number from the 128 decimal number is equal to 200 with a base of 8. So if you wondered why it became 200, it is because we listed the remainder numbers from bottom to top. So we have 2, we have 0, and 0. So from the base 10 above, we change it to 8 because we divided the original number by 8 to change the base 10. So the answer for converting 128 decimal number system to octal number system is 200 with a base of 10. So for you to fully understand, let's have another example. So 1792, convert it into octal number. So we have 1792 divided by 8. We have 224 with the remainder of 0. The quotient 224 divided by 8 again. So we have 28 with the quotient with the remainder of 0. 28 divided by 8. We have 3 with the remainder of 4. 3 divided by 8, we have 0 with the remainder of 3. So as you can see, the equivalent octal number of 1792 decimal number is 3400. So as I've told you earlier, we come up with this equivalent of conversion because we get that number from the remainder, which is we listed it from bottom to top. So we have 3 4 0 0 3400, and from the base 10 we change it to base 8 because the base 8 is for octal number. So we have here 3400 with a base of 8, or with the base of an octal base. Okay, so I will give you again with another example. This is for you to fully understand how to convert decimal number to octal number. So here was what I've told you earlier. MSB stands for most significant bit and LSB stands for a least significant bit. So we have here 400 93 with a base of 10, convert it into octal number. We have 493 divided by 8. We have 61 with the remainder of 5. 61 divided by 8, we have 7, remainder of 5 again. 7 divided by 8, we have the quotient of 0 with the remainder of 7. So we have to list the remainder from bottom to top. So we have 755 with a base of 10. So that is the octal number of 493 decimal number. So we have number 2. Number 2, 1126 decimal with a base of decimal, convert it into octal number. So 1128 divided by 8. So we have 140 with the remainder of 6. 140 divided by 8, we have 17 with the remainder of 4. 17 divided by 8 is equal to the quotient of 2 with the remainder of 1, and 2 divided by 8 is equal to 0 with the remainder of 2. So we have to list again the remainder from bottom to top. So we have 2146 with the octal base 8. So the conversion of 1126 decimal number is equal to 2146 octal number with the base of 8 here. So let's have example number 3. 799 decimal number, convert it into octal number. So here 799 divided by 8, we have 99 with a remainder of 7. 99 divided by 8, we have 12 with a remainder of 3. 12 divided by 8 is equal to 1 with the remainder of 4. Ang 1 divided by 8 is equal to 0 with the remainder of 1. So same process, list all the remainders from bottom to top. So we come up with the octal number 1437 octal number with a base of 8. So that's it. Alright, so since you already know how to convert decimal number to octal number system, this time I will teach you how to convert octal number to decimal number system. So octal numbers are expressed in powers of 8. Given the octal number 1226, the place value of each digit will be shown as shown in the table. So to convert it to decimal, multiply each digit to its corresponding power and then get the sum of each product. So the power of the octal numbers, observe it. As you can see, it is in ascending order from right to left. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 2, 6. So let's solve it in order to get the decimal number. Okay. So we have, let's get the sum of each product. So after we multiply 1 times 8 to the power of 3 plus 2 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 6 times 8 to the power of 0. So here we come up with the 1 times 512 plus 2 times 64 plus 2 times 8 plus 6 times 1. So we have 512 plus 26 plus 16 plus 6. And then here we have the decimal number 662. So from the octal number 1226, convert it into a decimal number. So we came up with the answer 662 decimal number. So I will give you another example. So here, convert octal number 34525 or 34,525. So as I told you in the first example, we have to multiply each digit to its corresponding power and then get the sum of each product. So in ascending order, we have start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34525 octal number, we have to multiply the corresponding power of the base 8. So now, as you can see, the power of 8 are in ascending order from right to left and starts with 0. Multiply a octal digit to their corresponding power. So we multiply 8 3 times 8 to the power of 4 plus 4 times 8 to the power of 3 plus 5 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 5 times 8 to the power of 0. So let's get their answer. So we have 3 times 4096 plus 4 times 512 plus 5 times 64 plus 2 times 8 and plus 5 times 1. So we will get the product of each. So we have 12,226 plus 2,048 plus 3,020 plus 16 plus 5. So we have to get the sum of it all. So here we come up with the decimal number 258,831. So from 34,525 octal number, we came up with the conversion of 258,831 decimal number. So remember to change the subscript to its corresponding form. So from the base 8, since we convert it to decimal, so our answer, we have changed it to its base 10, as you can see in the presentation. Alright, so now to test if you listen and understand the discussion, I have a question for you. Again, what is a number system? Very good. How about what is the function of octal number system in computer? Very good. What is the function of decimal number system in computer? Very good. The base is 10 refers to what number system? Very good. Decimal. How about what if the base is 8? Okay, very good. So, can you give me the importance of number system? Very good. You truly listen my discussion class. Very good. Okay, so to test if you know how to convert from decimal to octal and octal to decimal, This time, in a one whole sheet of paper, I will give random questions to you, class. It is either converting decimal to octal or octal number to decimal. In this activity, you have to solve it with solution. And then right after, you have to take picture of your paper, then upload it to our Google Classroom. Because I will be the one to check your paper, class. So I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. Make sure to give your best. Okay, since you're done answering and since you're done uploading your answers, let's have our assessment. So answer the following and write your answers in a one whole sheet of paper again. And don't forget to show your solutions. I will give you another 10 minutes to answer, and each item you will get 2 points each. So here, test 1, convert the following decimal to octal. Test 2, convert the following octal to decimal. Okay, your 10 minutes start now. Alright, so since you're done answering our assessment, you may now upload it to our Google Classroom because I'll be the one to check your papers. Alright, since you're done uploading, thank you so much. Okay, please copy everyone. For your assignment, fill in the blank of the correct answers by looking the answers inside the box on the right. So each item you will get 2 points each. Okay, are you done copying? Okay, very good.
Alright, so that would be all, everyone. Thank you so much for your active participation and for listening. I hope you learned something today and you learned something from me. I hope also that you won't forget everything what I'm discussing today in your daily endeavors. Keep safe, everyone. God bless and take care. Bye.